So one of you guys asked me in the comment section if I actually wash my hair in my protective hairstyle, and I'm going to be answering that and a lot of other questions of what I actually do to my protective hairstyle. Keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick one where I'll be responding to some of your questions that you might have concerning my hair in protective hairstyles. So for the subscriber that asked if I actually wash my braids, of course yes, I actually do wash my braids, but I don't wash it as frequently as I do when my hair is loose. The reason because I want my hairstyle to last. I want to keep it in for some months, so I don't go in washing my hair, because washing your braids or your twists frequently, there's going to be some frizz. Of course there's going to be some frizz, and this is just me doing one of those processes that I usually do when my hair is loose, which is pre-poo. I'm actually pre-pooing my hair right now. So whatever procedure that I do when my hair is loose, I also do it in my protective hairstyle, because it's my routine and I have to stick to it. So I don't want to stop it because my hair is already used to that routine. I have to keep doing it regardless of whatever protective style that I have on. And yes, my routine, in case you don't know, is to pre-poo, massage my scalp, and then I go ahead to shampoo, deep condition, and do tea treatment. Use my herbal tea to rinse my hair. So that is pretty much, but I still have detailed video in case you want to see my previous video on how I really wash my hair, whether in protective style or not. I have that in my playlist. You can check my wash day routine. I have that there as well. So you just have to stick to your routine regardless of whether your hair is in braids or not, your hair is in twist or not, even if it's in cornrow. If you have a routine that says you must wash your hair every once in a week, once in 2 weeks, and once in months, whatever it is, you have to keep doing it even though your hair is in a protective hairstyle, because this way your hair still gets the nourishment, the care that you usually give it. You know, your hair still gets it even though it's in braids or twist or whatever it is it's in. That is why I don't subscribe to using weaves, because many of the times we keep our hair under weaves and we just neglect the care of our hair. Those things that we usually do to our hair to keep it healthy, moisturize, we don't do that because we feel that our hair is under weaves. So it's one major way a lot of people neglect their natural hair underneath those wigs. For me, I do the same thing. I will still use heat to pre-poo this hair, and thereafter I go wash my hair and do all other stuff that I need to do to it. So to answer that question, and a lot of you might want to know if it's really necessary, well, for me it's very, very important to maintain my routine at every point in time. So that is it. I wanted to just come up here and answer that question, and other people might have that concern about washing your hair in protective style and all that. So that's my own response. That is what I do. That is what I do. So still make sure to check what works for you and do that as well. So till I come your way in my next video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.